In this video, I would like to share to all of you about how to make a wooden door with sticks in a row. First of all, you have to make basic frame of the door with a line, and then you have to position on the origin right here. Then you can set the height of the door. It's around 2500 millimeter approximately. Then you can set the height of the door is around 900 millimeter, and you can complete the frame anyway. And after that, you can offset this basic frame into the inside around 40 millimeter, right? And then you can select the line, and then you can complete the basic plan of the frame of the door anyway. Then you have to erase it, and then you have to push it back around 120 millimeter, right? And you can get the basic frame object of the door, and then you can make it group by just triple click of this object, and then right click, and then you can make it group. Okay, and after that you can make a door leaf with a rectangle in this area. You can select this tool, rectangle, and then you can position on endpoint of the group, and just right here by following this step on this video, endpoint in the group also. And so you can see about a rectangle, and then after that you can push it to the front around 40 millimeter, right? And then you can see about a rectangle, solid object, and then you can right click and make it a group. Okay, and after that you can adjust the arrangement of sticks in a row of this door leaf by select the tape measure tool. Then you can just click it on the left click, and then you can position it by click this edge of the group, and you can drag to the right side. Maybe it's around 200 millimeter, and then you can see about the guideline that would guide you to make arrangement of sticks in a row of the door leaf. And then you have to make and then you have to enter to the group by double click. Then you can draw the line right here. You can draw the line, and then you can just click this area, and then you can push it to the back around 10 millimeter, right? And after that you can just select this line, and you can press move, and just you can press control on your keyboard, and you can just set the end position of by this video. Just click by left click, and then you can type on your keyboard. Maybe it's around 50 slash and enter. Okay, and then you can get the grid automatically arrangement about the line that you have made it before. Then after that you have to use a push or pull tool to make of each stick arrangement manually by using push, so you can make sure it equal with another side anyway, another surface. Make sure it equal with another surface. And if you have been try to make push or pull on one surface, you can just only double click on another surface, so it will be automatically extrude with the same length as before anyway. By following this step anyway, you can see this step, it will be automatically, so it will make you more quick to make this arrangement sticks in a row anyway. So you get the the 3D object anyway on a door leaf, and then so you can get it, and then and after that you can select the material in this synthetic surface, and then you can select the Formica laminated light. It will be make more representative or realistic anyway. Then you can select the dark color of the frame by using a color M07, so you can adjust it also, or if you feel it too dark you can adjust to another light color with this maybe color M05 anyway. Then you can select the rectangle to make a door handle anyway. To make a door handle, it's depend on your taste and it's depend on your design of the door anyway. So after you have made a solid surface in this area, you can offset it inside. Maybe it's around 12 millimeter for the thickness of the offset, and you can adjust it by offset it, and then you can push to the back anyway. Okay, and then you can make it group, and after that you can just adjust with metal material, something like this. Or after that you can make a lock case of the door with maybe you can use a circle, sorry, you can use a rectangle object anyway, and you can just make it group, and anyway you can make another hole right here. Then you can make the same material of it, then you can make it group, and after that you can I'm sorry, you have to push it to the front for the first. You have to offset 20 maybe 20 millimeter more, and then you can make it component. Just create it and just move and press Ctrl to duplicate it by green axis, and then you can right click and flip it along with the green axis, so you can adjust it, so you can combine it to the appropriate position. Then you can make it component in a flip side just click the object and press move and just press Ctrl, and then you can press drag to the green axis, and then you can flip it along with the green axis to fulfill the step anyway. Then you can position on the appropriate position. Then you can select the 4 object like this, and then you can just make it group, and you can position it on correct position by the frame anyway, so you can see about a door design. So you can see about a complete door design with sticks in a row anyways. I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. I hope it would be a lot of benefit and advantage to all of you, and wait for my next video. Thank you.